you looking for the best tire plug kit? In this video, we will break down the top 6 tire plug kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
If you're concerned that a tire repair set like the TechPo product editor's pick might be more than you need, then consider a simpler one like this TOOLUXE kit. It is designed to allow you to easily repair any tubeless tire. This 35-piece set is simple to the point of austerity, but still contains the basic items you need to make the fix. This bright orange hard case contains rasp and needle tools, sealing lubricant, hex keys, and 30 pieces of plug string. About the only item not included that you might want to have on hand is a utility knife for trimming the rubber string you've used to plug the hole. The rasp and needle have simple sandblasted steel handles that will give you good leverage for re-aiming out the puncture and inserting a plug. The case is slim for easy storage in your vehicle's cargo area, although some buyers feel it could have been made even more compact given the small number of tools you get. This 56-piece kit from BOULDER Tools gives you essentially everything you would need to repair a flat on a vehicle. With several different T-handles and plugs, the kit does a good job of offering a variety of items to fit the type of puncture you are fixing. The brown strings, in particular, are effective at handling different puncture sizes. The kit boasts a heavier build and some of the tools such as the included pliers and strings. Using thicker strings, the kit is geared more towards larger punctures that would normally send you into your local garage for replacement tires. With that said, the bulk of the strings may be too big for smaller punctures that are likely to create a slow leak. The 3 main tools used to apply the strings all share the same high-quality construction. Unfortunately, the bulk of the kit is somewhat of overkill in most situations, and mismatched tools are somewhat common. Finally, the case is rather large, and may not fit in smaller car interiors or trunk spaces without taking over space. If you are looking for cheap tire care equipment that actually functions how it is supposed to, Slime is the brand for you. This 2410 small tire tackle kit is a competent 14-piece kit you can use to replace a leaking valve core in just a few minutes. The kit contains a pocket-sized air pressure gauge, a 4-way valve tool, 4 chrome hex head valve caps, 4 plastic caps, and 4 valve cores. The center of attention here is the 4-way valve tool. You can use it to remove defective valve cores, insert new ones, and re-tap threads. This kit is a handy tool and one that everyone should have in their glove box. The 14-piece set comes organized in a box format that occupies minimal space. Moreover, thanks to universal measurements used in tire valves, this kit is helpful for cars, trucks, motorcycles, trailers, etc. Of course, it's worth mentioning that this kit doesn't come with plugs and patches to repair punctures. However, it would be a good idea to include it here, since it's a perfect complement to any flat tire repair kit. This tire repair kit by BLACKJACK was also impressive. Each kit, contained in a handy compact box, contains everything you'll need to repair a puncture on the go, no matter where you find yourself. Inside, you'll find a spiral probe and plug insertion tool, each of which feature T-shaped ergonomic handles, coated with a durable and soft rubber grip. The kit contains sticky plugs, sealing lubricant, and a valve core remover that doubles up as a screwdriver. The plugs themselves are made from a butyl rubber compound that's designed to last, sealing out moisture and dirt with ease. Also, the kit is made to a professional standard and ideal for emergency roadside situations. With this toolset, you are able to plug a puncture without dismounting the tire, which can save you time and even money. The plug could work with basically all types of tires, so one set is more than enough for emergency tire handling. In this toolbox, you will get 2 T-bone insert rasps with 1 reversible screwdriver, 1 valve core remover to easily remove the tire valve, and 1 jar. It will work best in filling the hole in your tire effectively. You would have no more worry about owning this set. The The Slime 50107 comes in very handy if you have a flat tire. This plugs into your car's 12V accessory power outlet and has a quick connect air hose that connects to the tire's valve. The inflator also has a built-in 0-100 side dial gauge for accurate pressurization. This kit is a repair sealant, and this should be squeezed into the tire's valve. Overall, this repair process is hassle-free and takes only 15 minutes. Also, you don't need jacks or tools. It is important to note that this repair process must be done with the tire fully deflated, unlike strings where you only need to plug them into the puncture with air inside the tire. That said, the sealant uses a special formula that penetrates any puncture up to 1/4 inches wide. It is non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-flammable, and tire sensor safe. These two components are packaged neatly in a zippered case for convenient storage. However, you don't get a pair of pliers for removing the nail or any other piercing object. This is an affordable tool though that you can buy separately. The safety seal kit can seem rather sparse. It only has a handful of tools in it, not including the string plugs. Still, you will be pleased to know that you won't actually need anything other than what is provided in this kit. If you don't really know your way around cars, this kit will be a good fit for you. This is largely because it comes with an excellent set of instructions. Also, because you don't have to sift through too many tools, you will soon learn the progression of steps, making you a pro in no time at all. The other advantage of this repair kit is that it is well suited to a variety of vehicles. So, whether you have a car, truck, or all-terrain vehicle, you will be able to deal with any issue that comes your way. These tools and the case in this kit are constructed from high-quality materials. Due to this, you can be quite sure that they will last you quite a long time, making this a worthy investment. The sturdy materials are also what makes this kit useful for all sizes and widths of tires as well. The only downside is that this is a rather pricey kit.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.